So hey everyone, so now a question on engineering mathematics. We have a question over here. So this is engineering mathematics. This video is helpful for those if you're either taking a diploma maybe in automotive or electrical or maybe civil, something like that. So a continuous variable x has k into 2 minus x and 0. So the limits are 0 and x is less or equal to 1. Also it has x is greater or equal to 1, and also x is less or equal to 2. So let me finish on the question. It says that a continuous variable x has, so hii swali inakuanga rahisi sana. A continuous variable x has, so it has this, then you are told to find, so this is the main question. We're told to find Roman 1. So the first one will find the value of constant k. Then the second one is finding the mean. Roman 3 is the standard deviation. Hope it's visible. Then the fourth one is the mod. So by the end of this video you will be able to work out this very simple one. Inakuanga rahisi sana. So when tukiingia kwa solution, okay, the solution. So first let's rewrite this one. It's usually written like this: k into x plus, you add all of them when you're finding the value of constant k. So the first one we are finding value of k. So let's find the value of k. So we'll rewrite them this way. Then I will equate them to 1, this one over here, because x is greater or less than, is greater than 0 and also less than 1. So you will equate equals to 1. Then the final thing is you will integrate both sides, this one and this one. So the next is so you know we don't integrate this constant k, so tutaiweka huku nje. So itakuwa hivi: k into integration of x plus k into integration of 2 minus x. So utaandika hivi. Then this one equals to 1. Don't forget this one. Then this limits this one and this 2. This one is for this one, and this is the limit for x for this sum. Then the 0 doesn't have its own limit. So hapa kwa integration ya hii k, this k and x, tutaweka hii 0 na 1. So hapa juu tutaweka 1, hapa juu we will place 0. Don't forget that. Then in this one we will use these limits 2 and 1. So hapa tutaweka 2, hapa tutaweka 1. Then you know how to integrate. So the next is, when we integrate x, we will get x squared over 2. Then the limits are 1 and 0. Then don't forget this k. Then plus when you integrate, so I hope you know how we have gotten this integration. It's usually this x, hapo una assume there is 1, so hiyo 1 utaongeza plus 1 ikuwe 2, ndio hii 2, then divide by your 2, the same 2. Pia hapo uta assume there is 1, then you add 1, then you integrate, so 2 itabaki tu 2, so itakuwa 2x minus, ukiintegrate x unapata, uta assume kuna 1, so itakuwa plus 1 itakuwa 2, so itakuwa x power 2 divided by 2. Hapo uta assume hii 2 ilikuwa na x power 0, ndio ukiweka 1 itakuwa x power 1 then divide by 1, so itabaki tu 2x power 1 ama is the same as 2x, ndio 2x out. Then don't forget the limits and don't forget the k. So hapa limit yake ni ngapi? Limit yake ni 2 na 1, 2 and 1, and equals to 1. So where there is x tuta replace na 1, mali kuna x tuta replace na 1, mali kuna x tuta replace na 2, then mali kuna x tuta replace na 1. So itakuwa hivi, so it will be like this, x into 1/2 plus k minus 2 minus a half, close the bracket, then the big one equals to 1. Don't forget this one, don't ever forget number 1 here. So when you open the bracket further, we'll get k/2, hope it's visible, k/2 plus, open further, we'll get k into a half, this 2 minus this is 2, get a half k equals to 1. When you open further, we'll get k/2 plus k/2, which is 1. So my k will be equals to 1. So this is the first answer. This is the value of k. This is the answer. So k will be 1. So we have to solve the first question. Let's go to the second one. The second one asks us about the mean. So the mean is usually you multiply it by x. So you see here, we'll just add a multiple of x, then we repeat the same thing. So when we write the question, we are starting like this, k into x. Now we will add another x, then plus okay, if I write it like this, you will confuse. Let me write it like this, kx into multiplied by x, then plus this one, k into 2 minus x, we will multiply by another x out there. Then remember the integration sign. Remember to integrate. So let's continue up here. So it is like this. So after here we'll come here. So let's rewrite it. It's k x multiplied by x plus k into 2 minus x multiplied by x. After integrating both sides by 1 and 0, 2, it is 2 and 1, our limit. Then we know that but k is 1. So let's replace it. So where there is k, we put 1. So it will remain like this one, x squared, integration of x squared, this is 1 and 0, plus integration of 1, 2, will be 2 minus x into x, I think so. Let's just open the bracket, it will be 2x minus x squared. Now we have opened here the bracket. So the next, we will integrate them. When you integrate this one, you get x cubed over 3 the limits are 1 and 0 plus x minus x cubed over 3 power 2 and 1. So hope we are together till up to there. So when we replace the values of x, here we are replacing k, so here when we replace x, we will get something like this, a third. So here x is 1, so it will be a third plus x you replace with 2, so 2 squared is 4, here is my 4, then 2 cubed is 8, 8 divided by 3, 8 divided by 3 minus x power 1 is 1 minus 1 power 3, because 1 cubed is 1, so it's a third. So when we take our calculator, we will get, so it is 1 over 2, a third, plus 4 minus so 1. So the answer is 1. So the mean is 1. This is the mean. So let's go to the standard deviation. The third one is standard deviation. Standard deviation. Standard deviation. Now it will be e times x squared. You remember the mean was e times x. Now it will be e times x squared. So this x will be 2 times x twice. This one is also known as the variance. You can be asked to, the standard deviation is the same as the variance, so it will be, let's rewrite them. Okay, sorry guys, so there was a technical problem, so I'll repeat what I just did here. So the variance is usually times x squared, as I said. So you will repeat the question the way it is, like this, how we started, then we will multiply here by x squared, the same here, x squared, then you will integrate it, then you will replace k with 1. So where there is k, you replace it with 1, k will go out because it's 1, then we will integrate it, don't forget the limits. Then after integrating it, when we place our digits in the calculator, minus a quarter, minus 4, minus 9, minus a quarter, we will get something like 7 over 6. Yeah, minus 7 over 6. So here will be 7 over 6. Something like that. So in standard deviation, when you want to find the standard deviation, the SD, it will be, you will find the square root of 7 over 6 minus, so you will include a 1 squared over here. So this is how you finalize it when you're wanting to find the standard deviation. So it will be something like this one, 7, so it will be 7 over 6. Now we will find the square root of 7. So after finding the standard deviation, after typing in the calculator, lastly let's find the mode. So the mode will be function of x plus function of x. So and our function of x was k into x plus k into 2 minus x, but we know k is equals to 1, so when we replace, we will get x plus 2 minus x. So this one will be x minus x will be 0, so we will remain with 2. So this one, so our mode will be 2, so this one is the answer. So guys, I hope you have subscribed to Lundi TV for more. Thanks for the support. So this is where we started. In a continuous variable, x has this one is the limits, then we found the value of k, got 1, then the mean we multiplied by x. After that we got our mean as 1, then we went to find the standard deviation, we multiplied it by x squared. After the integration, found the standard deviation to be, then we went to find the mode. So this one is the mode is 2, so that's the end.